In this tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your files in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to restrict access to a file, make it truly view only by disabling download, print, and copy, and prevent editors from changing permissions in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. First, let's restrict access to a file. In Google Drive, right-click the file you want to lock. Click Share. In the Share window, remove any people you no longer want to have access by clicking the X next to their name. This only affects the selected file, and you can always add people back later if needed. Now set the file to Restricted. You'll see this under General Access. Restricted means only the people you explicitly add can open the file. Keep only the allowed users listed here. If someone should still have access, leave them in the list. If not, we'll remove them so the file is limited to just the people you choose. Once that's done, the file's access is locked down to your approved list. Next, apply view-only protection so people can't download, print, or copy the file. With the same share window open, set each person's permission to viewer. Click the drop-down next to their name and choose viewer. This prevents editing. Now click the gear icon in the top right of the share window to open settings. Turn off the option for viewers and commenters to download, print, and copy. This disables those actions in the files menu, adding another layer of protection. If you still need certain collaborators to edit, keep them as editors, but remember editors can always see the content, so use this setting primarily when you want strict view-only access for most people. Now prevent editors from changing permissions or resharing your file. This step applies to Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Open the file directly so it's on screen. Click Share, then click the gear icon in the Share window. Disable the option that allows editors to change permissions and share. With this turned off, editors can still edit the content, but they cannot add new people, alter access levels, or make the link public. This helps you keep control over who can see the file, even when others are helping you work on it. To quickly review what you should see on screen, your file is set to restricted under general access. Only the people you want remain listed. Most are set to viewer. If they only need to read the content, the download, print, and copy option is turned off for viewers and commenters. And the setting that lets editors change permissions and share is disabled for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. These settings work together to lock your files in Google Drive while still letting you collaborate safely. If you ever need to adjust access, repeat the same steps in the share window. Add or remove people carefully, keep the file on restricted unless you intentionally want a wider audience, and verify that viewers remain view only with download, print, and copy turned off. When collaborating in Docs, Sheets, or Slides, revisit the gear icon to confirm that editors still can't change permissions or share. Taking a moment to check these settings prevents surprises and keeps your file secure. At this point, your Google Drive file is locked. Access is restricted to approved people. View-only users can't download, print, or copy, and editors cannot change sharing permissions. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.